Hey, here's a quick video for anybody who needs to hear this. Picking out a straight board at the hardware store is one of the most important things you can do when you're working with wood and trying to make products out of wood. Pick up your board, place one side down on the ground in the hardware store, lift the other side up so that way it's eye level, and look at the board, look down the board flat, and then turn it on its side. You can see this one curves at the end. Not too bad, but it does have a little curve on it. You want to look both ways, flat and on its side. This board's looking pretty straight. Again, the more you pay for the board, the more straight the boards will be. If you're buying just the cheap common boards, there is going to be a little turn on them, but you're looking down the side and then laying it flat and looking for any type of turn. Do this with every board before you buy it, and you're going to save yourself a lot of time when you take these home and start working with them. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and good luck picking out straight boards at your local hardware store.